So the ground
Yeah, yeah,
drones. Tell
yeah.
me
Ground
about
drones.
these. Like how fast are they developing? How are they appearing? What are the most interesting things here? And what do we should be on the lookout for?
Yeah. So, ground drones. I think this next year is going to be the year of ground drones. To be honest, I mean, it's just an absolute necessity. We need more effectively. We need more infantry on the battlefield, and there just isn't that. And ground drones are going to replace that. Again, it's an issue of mass manufacturing. Okay, there's a lot of uses for this. We've already seen, Third Assault Brigade and maybe another brigade, maybe it's Hartia, I can't remember, um, did a full assault just with ground drones. That's all they used. Okay, now, I don't think that infantry is ever going to be completely replaced, and I think that was like a special situation. We don't have ground drones that are going to dive into a trench right now, but a combination of of uh, of FPVs, ISR reconnaissance drones, and ground drones working together can do a whole heck of a lot. But you need somebody to control and operate those ground drones. So then you run into some of the same issues, that you have with regular FPVs. The nice thing is, so think of a ground drone as a platform that you can put anything on. You can use it for CASEVAC, okay, casualty evacuation. And that's the for kind of like the first level of use. That's probably the most important for saving lives. Um, you can mount a gun turret on it and have that turret be controlled remotely. Um, and that might be used for assault and also might be able to be used for air defense. Secondarily, this is not new technology at all. You have, please don't call it AI because it's not, but you have turrets that can automatically recognize targets and fire at them without human control at all. And there's been cases where one ground turret, just in the past few months, one of these ground turrets held a position for like 90 days. You know, I don't know how they resupplied it with ammo, but they must have had, a big long thing of ammo running down into the blindage or something. I don't know what. But that's going to be uh, the future that Ukraine desperately, desperately needs because we don't want to sacrifice any more good soldiers. It's done from the idea of the preservation of human life and human decency. Unfortunately, the end result is that we're building the freaking Matrix and Terminator all together.
So true.